Good morning to you. Thank you. Thank you, Mango. You give mommy a kiss? Your feathers are looking really nice. Look at your back. The blue is very vibrant. And you got yellow on your wings and yellow around the face. Can you turn around, Mango? Thank you. And your belly has the blue and white. The face is yellow. You look like the sky. Your face is like the sun. And your belly is like the clouds and the sky. What a handsome little guy. You want to say something to everybody? Say hi, YouTube viewers. You're looking for food, right? Early in the morning. Want to eat your yum yum? Yeah, here's some of your pellets. Some of your pellets here. Want to eat? Take a drink of water and then you want to talk again? You want to talk? You're hopping from cage to cage. Chickadee? Where's your chickadee? Where's your chickadee? That's your chickadee sound. You imitated chickadee to the T. Chickadee is Mango's yellow toy. You get chickadee again? Oh, you give mommy lots of kisses? Thank you. What a good boy. You want to get the ring? You want to play with your rings? Chickadee? You want to play with chickadee? No one's going to Hong Kong. Mango has lots to say, right? Where's Blueberry? Thank you. No one's going to Hong Kong. Don't know where you got that from. Shanghai, yes, but not Hong Kong. What are you talking about in a minute? What a happy little bird. Yes, it's morning time. How old are you, Mango? You're not sure, right? Because mommy didn't teach you that. But you're going to turn 6 soon. 6 years old. Okay, let's go pan over to Blueberry. Where is my Blueberry? Yes. Most of the time when they see me, they stretch their wing. It's one of their body languages as greeting. How's my Blueberry? You're looking good. Vibrant colors. Of the feathers too? You're the quiet one, right? Well, Mango's talking in the background. So how about this disco ball? You want to throw the disco ball down for us? Oh, you did that so fast. I didn't get that on camera. Okay, we're going to put it in. Well, this is a disco ball. Okay, you're very anxious to throw it down. But not yet, not yet. Very good, Blueberry. Huh? You threw it down. Very good. How about the ball? You want to play with the ball? Blueberry doesn't play much. Blueberry just observes. Oh, you hear that? You hear that sound from Blueberry? He makes a certain sound when he doesn't like things. Okay. What do we hear? Yeah, you're talking more and more. We were interviewing Blueberry just before. You were talking in the background. Okay, we have the camera on you now. What can Mango say? What can Mango say? Good morning, kiss?
Hi, baby. Come on, give my kiss, kiss.
Thank you.
Kiss, kiss. Come on, kiss.
Give everyone a kiss?
Come on, kiss. Good morning.
Okay.
Hi, budgie. That's quite a bitch.
Very happy fella. Alright, let's go back to Blueberry. Oh, look at Blueberry. Yeah, what's Blueberry doing? Oh, Blueberry's trying to get the bunny head off the ride. So Blueberry does play a little bit. Okay, time to look handsome, right? You don't stop talking, do you? You can talk all day long, right? Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.